Guys, look at this graph. I started this bot with just 4 SOL and look what happened in a few hours. Almost 25 SOL in pure profit. This isn't magic, it's speed. Today we're testing Pump Fund Sniper, TOE, a bot that positions itself as the fastest tool on Solana. Let's go. The website looks absolutely fire. What immediately catches the eye is the 8 millisecond latency. For sniping on pump.fun, this is critically important. He who is first takes all. But the most interesting part here is the AI agents section. You can connect real artificial intelligence to the bot, GPT, Claude, or even Grok. The bot doesn't just click buttons, it analyzes contracts and social media before buying. This is God tier level for trading. Let's set it up. Connecting Phantom Hue takes just a second. Going into bot settings, there are ready-made presets here. Safe, balanced, aggressive, and even Degen for the most risky traders. We'll choose balanced, playing the golden mean. Setting the entry amount, take profit, and stop loss. Important point, pay attention to the rug pull protection and honeypot detection toggles. This is your insurance. The bot will check the contract for scams before buying a token. In crypto, safety is number one. Hitting start trading and let's go. Look how fast the terminal works. Tokens appear, the bot instantly analyzes them and executes trades. See how many trades are going through? Dozens per minute. While you're drinking coffee, the bot is monitoring the mempool. Pay attention to the logs pap. The bot writes AI passed, sentiment okay. This means the neural network approved the token. And the coolest part, Toonie, look at the profit graph in the bottom left. It's going strictly up. Minimal drawdowns. The bot worked like a clock, closing positions in profit and instantly exiting losing ones. Okay, stopping the bot, time to sum up. Going to the profile, the numbers speak for themselves. Total trades 239, successful 187, win rate lands 78%. This is a very high indicator for such a volatile market. And most importantly, port 2, look here. 5 rug pulls avoided. The bot saved us from 5 scam tokens that could have burned the deposit. Final profit plus 24.897 SOL. We entered with 4 SOL and withdrew almost 7 times more. This is just insane. Let's withdraw the profit. Hitting withdraw, confirming the transaction in the wallet, and ça va. Balance updates. Money is yours, no freezes, everything is non-custodial, keys are only yours. Guys, this tool really changes the game. If you want to try trading on pump.fun with the advantage of AI and light speed execution, the link to Pump Fund Sniper is already in the description under the video. Don't forget to hit like if the review was helpful and subscribe so you don't miss the next reviews of Alpha Tools. See you in the green.